Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I have a review and demo on the PixiBeauty Double Tap Eyeshadow Palette. So they collabed with ThatsHeart and she created this palette with them. So today I'm going to be reviewing it, doing some swatches, and doing a demo on this look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. But first, let's talk about the palette in itself. Let's look at the packaging. It's super cute, very simple. It has like glittery, kind of like rose gold, pink. Is just really pretty. I love the fact that it also has right here like the kind of shades that she has, and it says double tap. I like that in the back has a picture of her, a little bit about herself and why she created this palette and all of that. And then when you open it up, it's very clean, very simple, and I kind of like that. I love the fact that it has like a little heart because, you know, that's heart. And I just really like the detail, just the cleanliness of this palette. Moving forward, this retails for $20 and it's a drugstore product and it has 8 shades. I think that's a decent price. And hey, you can find it at Target or online, which is awesome. So let me read the description of what it says and what it claims to do. So it says that the palette contains 8 super silky mineral shadows, all of Heart's favorite shades, universally flattering range of colors, smooth application with strong color payoff. How to use lighter shades as transition colors. Use your fingers to pack on the pigment to lids. Finish off your look by highlighting the inner corners of the eye with a shimmery shade. Here are the swatches from left to right. We have Feb 4th, The Best Fam, Always Dancing, Lip Sync, Oh He Got Money, Philippines, Fur Babies, and Coffee. Out of the 8 shades, I will say that 5 of them would be your like transition colors. None of these are matte. They have a satin finish. So you have Feb 4th, you have Oh He Got Money, Always Dancing, Fur Babies, and Coffee. Those would be your like transition shades, and those are a satin finish. So it has a little bit of shimmer. They're not matte. And then you have this one here, which is called Lip Sync, Philippines, and The Best Fam. Those would be the kind of like very like shimmery, metallic-y kind of shades that you would put like on your lid to make it shine. Now, I will say that they're very silky, and these are kind of like buttery. They blend very well. So let's just jump right into the tutorial. So I already went ahead and I primed my eyes. I used the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. So now with this JH30 brush, I'm going to grab the color Feb 4th, which is a very good just all over base color. So I'm just going to apply that on my crease and blending up. This has a little bit of hint of color. It's really good, I think, to blend out like when you're doing like a smoky eye or so. It's going to be a really good color to just blend out the edges. But I just want to set this base. Now with the JH31 brush, I'm going to grab the color Oh He Got Money. And I'm just going to apply this on my crease. This is going to be my transition shade, giving me a little bit of warmth. Right away, I do notice that obviously none of these are really like matte. I want to say they're more like a satin finish. They do have a little shimmer in it, but nothing too crazy. I'm just so used to having like my really like metallic shimmer shades and my matte shades, so this is very interesting for me right now. With the same brush, I'm going to grab the color Fur Babies, and I'm just going to apply this again on my crease. I just wanted this to be a little bit more deeper. The JH37 brush, I'm going to grab the color Coffee, and that's going to be my outer corner color, and it's going to be the color that I use to smoke everything out. So I'm just kind of just creating like a V shape. Back with the JH30 brush, I'm going to grab the color Feb 4th. And I'm going to use this to blend out the edges because I don't want to see any harsh lines. I know they say to use your fingers for some of these eyeshadows, but I want to use a brush because I want to see like the difference in color payoff. So I'm using this Urban Decay eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to grab the color The Best Fam because it's such a beautiful color. And I'm going to be applying this on my eyelid area. So I'm just going to put this here. I don't know if because this side is like fluffy, and I've used the fluffy side before for other eyeshadow tutorials, but I'm going to use the flat side and see if there's any difference in the color payoff. With the flat side, I do see it to be a little bit better, but I still don't feel like I'm getting as much color payoff as I would like to. So let me just go ahead and try with my finger. The thing is, I have fat fingers, so it's like really hard for me to use my finger. So here it goes. Definitely way better. Like, you definitely get a really good color payoff when you use your fingers. But why is that? Why is it that I get a better application with my finger than with a brush for the like shimmer metallic-y shades? Back with the JH37 brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out these edges here and up here. So let me finish the rest of my makeup and then we'll be back to do the under eye. So with the JH40 brush, I'm going to grab the color Coffee, and I'm going to use this to smoke out my lower lashes. Well, my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and grab the color Philippines, and I want to apply that in the inner corner, but I know that I'll get the best color payoff if I use my fingers. But again, like, my fingers are pretty chubby, and to really get in that area is going to be hard, but I'm going to try. So I have a little bit on my pinky. I'm just going to tap that. Oh, that was actually perfect. I was being dramatic. But I'm just applying that right there to give me some glow, some highlight. If you guys are wondering what eyeliner I'm wearing, I'm using this one. It's from NYX. It's part of their Vivid Brights line. This is in Vivid Escape. So all I have to do is just put on some lashes, some lipstick, and I'll be done. This is the final look. Honestly, my final thoughts on this is I love the fact that she personalized this palette so much. I mean, she included her subscribers, which she calls the best fam, in here. The Feb 4th is her anniversary with her husband and her fur baby. She loves her dog. She loves coffee. So I just really love how personalized she made this, because honestly, I do feel like Heart just has a very strong relationship with her subscribers. If you don't follow her already, like, what are you waiting for? But in her Instagram, she's always posting so many things. And I just feel like she has a good interaction overall with her subscribers. I personally met her in person. It wasn't at a meet and greet. It was actually at my job. I'm not going to go into details because I don't know. I just kind of feel like I want to keep certain stuff private for her and for myself. But I will say that she was such a sweetheart, and she is the same on camera as off of camera. And overall, I do like this palette. I think that it is worth the $20. It is a drugstore, so I feel like it is affordable. It is very reachable for so many people. I didn't really have that much, fallout. And at first, I was a little worried. I'm not going to lie. When I was doing my tutorial, I was kind of like, I don't know if this is really, if I'm getting any, like, color payoff here. But I mean, it built up, and I'm wearing it on right now. It was super easy to blend, and I just feel like these shades are just very flattering for any skin tone, and I feel like she made a good palette where people are not, like, scared. They're not like, ooh, I don't know if I want to buy that because when am I going to wear those shades? I feel like these are very neutral shades that you can play with, and if you're feeling a little feisty, then you can go ahead and use, like, Always Dancing and Lip Sync together. They would be very beautiful, but I feel like this is just a good everyday palette. So if you're thinking about getting it, I definitely recommend it. Easy to blend, easy to use. Overall, love it. I hope you guys liked this review. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below. Do you guys have this palette? What are your thoughts on this palette? Or any requests on other things that you guys would like me to review or a tutorial, all of that. Comment down below. I'd love to interact with you guys. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, what are you waiting for? I post little previews of what I'm filming and other goody good stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.